Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am fortunate enough to be partnering with FabFitFun on unboxing their winter 2019 box. And I know I'm not the only one that follows FabFitFun on Instagram and drools every time a new box comes out. Here it is, y'all, the FabFitFun winter 2019 box, and it's such a pretty box. Now I'm not gonna lie to you and say that I haven't already looked inside this box. I was so excited, I couldn't wait, because I actually had to wait a little while to even share it with y'all, and I was not about to wait that long to look in it. So I did already look, and I am so happy and excited with the things that I got. So let's just get into it. What's inside this here box? Rewind. Before I do that, if you didn't know what FabFitFun is, it is a subscription box, but it is not a monthly subscription box. It is actually season based. So you get 4 boxes a year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. So for only $49.99, you get a box full of full-size products that are valued well over $200. So like, one thing in this box can be worth that $49 regularly, but you're getting that plus more in this box for only $49 a month. And luckily, if it is your first box, you can use my coupon code for $10 off, which makes it $39 a month. So you cannot beat that. They also don't just send you whatever they want to send you. You can personalize your box. You can pick what you want in your box on their website. So yeah, now let's get into the box. So when I open it up, there are a few samples, some coupons, as well as the FabFitFun magazine. And this magazine actually has all of the things that are available for the winter box inside. They tell you more about each product that you could have picked, as well as some articles and things like that. So this comes in it. Now we're about to get into the fun stuff, and I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out in no particular order. I'm just gonna start pulling it out. And the first thing I'm pulling out are these lashes from Baddington Lashes. Now I don't wear lashes, well, I don't wear them often, mainly because I don't know how to put them on. But these are so pretty. I'm gonna keep practicing with my little cheap ones, and then once I get it down pat, I'm gonna throw these bad boys on. So yeah, these came from Baddington Lashes, and they are the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes, made from 100% synthetic silk. Okay. And it comes with a lash glue on the inside. Like, look at these lashes. Look. And to me, they are more on my end of the spectrum, because I like natural looking lashes. I don't like looking like I'm about to fly away. So yeah, these are really pretty and perfect for the style of lashes that I would wear if I knew how to put them on. Next up, the original makeup eraser. For the longest, I have not been using makeup wipes to take off my makeup, because I feel like it just irritates my face. Like, my face would feel tore up, basically. And I've tried many and plenty of makeup wipes, but I haven't found any that I like. So when I saw this on Instagram, I was like, I need to get that. And I actually looked for it online, but I just didn't order it. And now I know why, because I was gonna get it anyway. So yes, this is the original makeup eraser. It says it erases all makeup with just water. All you do, it's a towel on the inside. All you do is drench it in water, bring the water out, and just wipe the makeup off of your face. So I'm really happy about this one. I'm really excited to use it. It's antibacterial, reusable, and lasts up to 3 to 5 years, y'all. So just imagine how many makeup wipes you would have to use in a 3 to 5 year span to get makeup off your face, and where those makeup wipes going. Like, what is it doing? And it comes in the color pink, which I love, because pink is like one of my favorite colors. Next up, I have this Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar. And funny thing is, right before I straightened my hair a couple of weeks ago, I was asking a friend of mine of suggestions on things to use for my hair, and she actually recommended Drybar, but not this particular product. But I saw it in Ulta, but it was just a little too pricey for me. But this is a detangler and a heat protectant in one. So I'm really excited to try this the next time I do my hair because it protects up to 450 degrees. So I'm super excited to try this one and see what it does for my hair. Next up in my box, I honestly don't know how to say this, but I'm gonna attempt. The Cuscio Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. And it says daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil, and I love lavender oil. So this would be perfect for like a self-care night where you soak in the bathtub and you just want to get a good night's sleep. I know I do that when I feel like I'm not getting quality sleep. I do that. And it can be used for hand and body, which is good. It gently cleanses without dehydrating the skin and uses the finest ingredients. Epsom salt helps muscles feel reinvigorated and re-energized after the most intense of workouts. So yeah, this would be perfect to use after a workout. I feel like this box, like they've been watching me in real life, like not on camera or nothing like that, but like in real life, because a lot of the things in my box have to do with body care, and I've been getting really into body care stuff lately, especially baths. Like I already like to soak in like bubble baths and things like that, but I'm becoming more aware of what I'm using while in the bathtub, because you know our skin is our biggest organ and it absorbs a lot. So I've been trying to be more aware of what I'm using during that time. So next up, I have this Ahava Dead Sea Salt. It is a bath salt. It has natural dead sea bath salts. And I haven't opened it up or smelled it or anything, but when I saw this, I got really excited because I love bath salts. And I'm getting more into bath bombs, and I think I'm gonna get back into making my own bath bombs. But yeah, I got really excited when I saw this because I was like, this is like the perfect self-care like box for me, like the perfect self-care kit for me. I wanted to go ahead and try it before I even did this video, but I didn't want to mess up the packaging before I was able to show y'all. So next up on the body care skincare tip is this exfoliate and detox pore cleansing clay mask from Erno Laszlo, New York. It is exactly what it says it is, a pore cleansing clay mask. And I've been getting a lot of requests to do a skincare routine update, because as y'all have noticed, my skin is a whole lot better than it has been in years. Like I suffered really bad with acne and scarring and all of that, but my skin is doing so good. So I've gotten a lot of requests because I've really gotten into taking better care of my skin, and again, being more aware of what I'm using on my skin. So I'm excited to actually try this because I've been doing my own at-home facials, and I really love putting on a good mask after I do, you know, all my doing, like my exfoliating and stuff like that. So I'm excited to try this, and it exfoliates and detoxes. What else does it say? Distressed skin calls for powerful measures. This hydrating, detoxifying mask is the perfect antidote to fight impurities and boost skin's natural defenses. Okay. It helps remove impurities without drying, infusing moisture and nutrients into skin as it draws out the dirt and oil from pores. Your face feels brand new, smoother, even more toned and glowing. And I've been hearing a lot of that. So I'm excited to try this one out and see exactly what this mask does for my face. Next up, there's something in it that I don't typically use, but I may try to get into using, which is a planner. This planner is super, matter of fact, let me take it out the paper. This planner is like super cute, and it has 2020 on the front because it's for the new year, and it is made by Paper Source. And y'all know Paper Source is up there, like the prices is up there. So to get this in this box, if you are a planner person, would be like A1, like a score, a deal, all that. You open it up and it has all of the months in there, the calendar. So yeah, there's this really pretty planner in there. And last but not least is something that I think this is the thing that I was the most excited about, mainly because I love cuddling up and just being comfy. There is this unhide faux fur blanket, and it is so soft, y'all. So soft, and I cannot wait to use this. I love blankets, y'all. I absolutely love blankets. I collect blankets. I just love blankets. So when I saw this in my box, I got super happy. And like I said, I think this is the thing that I'm the most excited about. It says fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. It's faux fur, it's not real fur. Calm down, calm down. It's wintertime. Like, this is perfect for wintertime, because wintertime is the time where you usually want to cuddle up on the couch or cuddle up in the bed after a nice soak in the tub with my sea salts and using my Calm and Clean body wash. It would be the perfect time to cuddle up with this and watch some Netflix and YouTube. This blanket came in it, and like, I'm ready to go take a bath right now. Like, let's go. So that's all that was inside of my box. And since this video I partnered with them, I wasn't able to just go through and pick what I wanted in my box, but I think they nailed it pretty much for me and what I like, especially with this blanket and the body care and the face and the makeup eraser. Like, the only thing that I probably wouldn't have personally picked was the planner, because I have so many planners already that have gone to waste. But other than that, I think they absolutely nailed it for my personality. But luckily for you, you can go on their website, sign up with my coupon code if it's your first box, and get $10 off. So for $39.99, you can go through and pick what you want. So it's tailored to you. You already know what you're getting. There's no surprises. There's nothing in the box that you won't use. And another thing I like about this particular box, this winter box, is that the majority of the products that are in the boxes are made by women. They are women-owned businesses. Okay, so definitely go on FabFitFun's website, check them out, sign up, especially for your first box. Like, I don't think you would lose or could lose, especially since you can go in and pick what you want for $39.99, and the majority of the things in this box already cost that on their own, but you get all of this stuff for that price. I don't think you could lose. So me personally, I don't think you could lose. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me for this video. I am so grateful, because I absolutely love your boxes. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video.